Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change the icon of your application on iPhone. First, let's just open the Pinterest. Why? Because the Pinterest can give you a lot of icons that you can use for the new icon and application. So yeah, let's say I will let you change the icon of the photos library. So just tap a photos icon and then you just need to search it. The next, you just need to pick which icon that you want to get. Let's get this green, and then you just need to download it. Download the image, and right after you're done, you just need to go back. Open your shortcut application, and you just need to tap into this plus button on it. And the next, you just need to go click add action, and then just type here an open app, and then just tap into this open app option. The next is just picking the application by tap into this side, and then you just need to type photos or applications that you want to get here, and right after that you just need to go click into this, and you just need to go click choose icon, and then you just need to go click done first. Then you just need to go click done. Click these three small dots again, and then you just need to go click expand it and add to your home screen. And this side, pick this picture and choose photo, and then you just need to pick the picture that we have been downloaded from the Pinterest and just go click choose. Now you just need to go click add, and then you just need to find the result. You already got this open app, but this is name is just still open app, and let's just change it. You just need to open the shortcuts again, and then tap into it, go click rename, and then you just need to find the new title, and then just go click done. Now add to home screen again with the same tutorial, and now you already got this. You can like replace the previous icon that we just add, so whenever you open it, you already access your photo library. Simple and easy. Hopefully you understand, and let's meet again into other tutorial.